Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Vishnukundins in Telangana history. Thank you for subscribing the channel, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe for more videos related to Tspsc exams. I have already posted the videos related to Satavahana dynasty, Ikshvaku dynasty in the very clear manner. If you haven't watched, please go check out once. Without late, coming to the Vishnukundins Dynasty, they ruled the Telangana region from 358 AD to 569 AD. Founder of Vishnukundins is Indravarma. Coming to the capital cities of Vishnukundins, there are 4 capital cities for the Vishnukundins. They are Indrapala Nagaram, Keesara, Dinduluru and Amarapuram. Indrapala Nagaram, Keesara, Dinduluru, Amarapuram. And the religion which the Vishnukundins have followed is the Vedic religion, and the official language of Vishnukundins is Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the official language of Vishnukundins. And coming to the royal emblem of Vishnukundins, lion with raised paw. And the last ruler in the Vishnukundins is Manchana Bhattaraka. Last ruler is the Manchana Bhattaraka, and the founder is the Indravarma. And the greatest ruler who ruled Vishnukundin dynasty is Madhavavarma II. Madhavavarma II, Manchana Bhattaraka and Indravarma. Founder, last ruler, greatest ruler. According to the historian Keel Horn, Vishnukundins were the feudatories of Vakatakas. Vishnukundins were the feudatories of Vakatakas. Vakatakas are one of the successors of Satavahanas. And the historians opine that the native place of Vishnukundins is Amrabad Mandal, which is present in today's Munnuru in Mahabubnagar district. And the Vishnukundins described themselves as Amarapurushas and the disciples of Sri Parvata Swami. They described themselves as Amarapurushas, and they were the feudatories of Vakatakas. Vishnukundins were described as Trikuta Malayas by the Kandara king. By Kandara king, Vishnukundins were described as Trikuta Malayas.